So let's say you open Google Antigravity and then you click on this Open Browser Preview button. On the bottom left, you'll see a pop-up that says Launch Browser, and source will be Browser Launcher. But sometimes this will not work, and it might throw an error like Chrome installation not detected, or the browser just like it says successfully launched, but nothing launched. So what's going on and how do you fix this? Keep watching. So this usually happens because Antigravity's browser engine can't find a valid Windows home path, or it just doesn't know where to look to find your browser. It's actually a pretty easy fix. There is 2 steps to it. Both might fix all types of errors with the browsers. So keep watching and let's get into this. The first fix for this is by setting the home variable on Windows. So open up PowerShell as an admin and paste this command that I will give you in the description or comments. All this does is it'll set your username as the home variable. So all applications on your PC will know, okay, this is my home. So once this is pasted, I'll click enter to run this. And it's done. Now, there is a simple way to test this. Paste this second command, which will say, okay, get the environment variable home for this user. If I do this, I will get my home name, which is correct. So technically, the fix should work fine, but there's one more step which I like to do just to be sure. Now, first, of course, restart your Antigravity. And go to your Antigravity settings, advanced, browser. Now, if you look here, this is kind of what we did with the first fix. We just said, okay, this is our home. If any application requests something, check in our home folder. But to be extra safe, because I'm using Brave browser and not Chrome, what I will do is I will get my Brave extension where my Brave file is. So for example, for me, Brave is in this file path. So I'll just go to properties of Brave itself. And I'll make sure I copy the location, this entire thing, which you can also get just by doing this. So I'll do this, come here. Brave.exe. So pretty much just the location of your browser. Once this is done, you can just close it. And to confirm it's saved, go back to advanced settings. And you can see it's right there. Now let's try click on open browser again. And as you can see, the browser is working just fine. So this is a very easy fix. The only reason it happens is because Antigravity cannot actually see where your browser is located, and because of that, it cannot launch it. So the only 2 ways to kind of fix this is one, which was setting the home variable on your PowerShell, and the second was pointing your Antigravity settings manually to where your browser was. Now, if this helped you, make sure you subscribe and like. If you have any other questions that you would like me to answer in a future video, please let me know in the comments, and I'll see you